Hey guys, this is F168. I'm just going to show a little bit about my plugin FCRPG because it can be kind of intimidating seeing the features list. I know right now it has like 16 really long categories, and it might not really help you see like what this plugin is capable of doing. So I do plan to make a more detailed video one day, but this video is just to give you a kind of a general idea of what the plugin's about. So, like I say, it has dungeons that you can instance, which is actually one of the biggest features. You can create dungeons, and then you create a little lobby. So this is just an example dungeon sign, and you can see it just says teleport on the first line, then dungeon 1. The costs and levels are optional. I just put that because it's pretty useful. So I'm going to go ahead and just teleport in. And you can see it says the dungeon grasslands has been activated. 60 seconds remain to join in. Tells you how much you just spent. And so basically, since I have 60 seconds, I'm just going to tell a little bit more details about the plugin. Basically, this plugin, it just has custom classes. Like right now, I am a swordsman. That's the default for anybody that joins. I'm going to get a wood sword because that'll probably be useful. You can't use high-tiered swords like iron and stuff until you have the right stats. As you can see, I only have 3 attacks, so I can't use stone until I have 125 attack. So I'm gonna look at my spells. I'm gonna upgrade my spell. Nimble. It doesn't really matter which one I use, but I'm just gonna get slice. So now when I use spell list, you'll see I have 1 level in my spell, and all the information for the spells is on the bucket dev page. So basically, I'm going to bind the spell Slice to my sword, and by default you have to right click to activate a spell. It doesn't use mana until you actually use it. So I'm just going to go ahead and fight these mobs a little bit. And as you can see, as you fight the monsters, they take damage, and yeah. When you cast a Slice spell, it just says the spell was cast, and you know how much mana. He's going to lose health over time. It's not really long since it's only level 1, but at level 5 it's pretty nice. You can attack 8 times a second. Vanilla Minecraft, I believe, is only like 1. It's coded so you can do 1 per tick of the server, but they only put it at 1 for balance reasons, I believe. Pigmen spawn. I'm going to make it so you can customize the mobs that spawn and everything. And you can see I'm just level 1 right now, and just going to be brutally killing these. So that's just the combat basically. You can see I got an enchanted sword with Bane of Arthropods and knockback 1. Knockback doesn't actually do anything, I don't believe. No, it doesn't right now. I'm going to code it to work. It's just a small thing. Bane of Arthropods, though, it works. I had to recode like everything, potion effects and enchantments and everything to make it work with my plugin. So there are still a few little things. It's still in beta right now, but I hope to have a lot of like small little things, like for example the knockback fix. Like these are little things that I forget about because there's so much that I have to like update. And so I'm just looking for the boss. And you can see the boss is level 6. He's 5 levels higher than you. You can only fight monsters that are 5 levels higher than you because it's to prevent power leveling. I'm gonna run out of mana. Oh no, I'm game moded, so I don't run out of mana. So yeah, I'm not going to run out of mana. I'm going to keep using Slice, just for the heck of it. I don't mind if I destroy the dungeon. I don't really care. Doesn't really matter. Just a lot of clicking, a lot of kicking, and I killed the boss. It says the boss has been killed. He drops some enchanted boots, and I leveled up. So I just used kill all, and you can see it says it's going to teleport me out. Remember to loot the chest, and I leveled up, so my stats automatically distributed. You can change it with the class allocate so that you can set your skill points if you want, and instead of this being at 0, it'll go up to 10 every time you level up. And you can put the points in with the class spec command. And so yeah, there's a treasure chest. It gives you coal and it gives you wood and shovel. And coal is just something for the economy. So it gives you a few little things. And I'm going to also make that configurable in the future. But right now it's just, you know, I want a nice opinion from people. So I'm going to just go ahead and wait for the dungeon to end. I get 60 seconds. And that sign doesn't work because my teleports are default right now. That was a custom teleport, but since my I've had to reset my configuration file so many times, a lot of this stuff isn't set up anymore. So yeah, I'm just going to wait 60 seconds. But as you can see, monsters drop enchanted stuff, and there you go. It says Dungeon Grasslands has been completed. Whenever you join dungeons, I mean, it's instant. You get to fight with your classes. There's parties, because you have a whole party thing. You can join parties. Some spells only work when you're in parties. Like, for example, if you're in a party and you cast Morale, that's the Swordman ability that gives a damage boost to your entire party. I'm going to circle it real quick for 10 seconds. Yeah, that's pretty good. Like, level 5 gives 15% damage, which is really nice. So, I mean, just give me your opinion, what you think of this plugin. I mean, any server can have dungeons now and play with these custom classes, and it's got multi-world support, so you, like, don't even have to, like, you don't even have to put it in your main economy. You can, like, use multiverse inventories and split out the worlds and everything. And you don't have to worry about, like, destroying your world too much or anything. It shouldn't destroy your world ever, because you can set everything out. And it doesn't change blocks or anything. The worst that might happen is, like, player data resetting for the actual plugin. But if that ever happens, I'm working so hard to get all that stuff fixed. And it just started again because I teleported in. So, yeah, there's a lot of features. Definitely, I think people should check it out. And, yeah, give me your opinion. Post it in the comments, threads, anywhere. Thanks for watching. Alright, I'll see you. Destro16 out.